So second TikTok, guys, second dress. I wore this to a wedding only once, and now this is my second time to make brandade, which is a French dish from Marseille. Brandade, guys. This is the dish that you did not know you needed in your life. It is a traditional French dish, south of France, and just a couple of ingredients. We have the cod, we have this oat milk, because I'm trying to make this dairy light. We have some whole milk that we're going to use to finish it, some thyme, some roasted garlic, I wish you could smell this, some sea salt, and then some booze. So, because you can make this with whole milk, you can make this with cream, I'm going to be a little more healthy today, and I'm going to use oat milk as the base. We're going to use about 1.5 cups of oat milk. Going to throw this into the pot. We're going to take 4 sprigs or so of this thyme, throw it in, some salt, throw it in. We're going to squeeze a little lemon, throw the whole lemon in, and then this garlic, which wow, 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 this garlic, look how beautiful this is. So our milk mixture has actually been simmering for about 10 minutes, and now we're going to add the cod for another 7 minutes, and the cod is going to cook in the milk. So our cod was cooking on very low heat. And as you can see, it's practically like coming apart, which means that the cod is cooked perfectly. I have some mashed potatoes here that are going to go into the mixture. And what we're going to do is we're going to take all of the cod and we're going to place it in this bowl. And just make sure that the cod is nice and flaky. Now, with the potato, you can actually put whole potatoes and mash them in. I love the mashed potato because I like the mixture of the smooth potato and the chunky cod for my brandade. And then the last part, because we're not done yet, is we're going to put this in the oven for 350 degrees for about 7 minutes. Thanks so much for joining me for my second TikTok ever. I will be back with another bridesmaid dress or something and another recipe from around the world.